weekend, day in the life. Welcome. Hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, look at this view. I'm talking about me, but also the view behind me. All right, we are 1.89 miles. There's literally nobody out here this morning. I mean, it's a little bit chilly. Normally it's not this dead. Hi. 4.5 miles. How we feeling, Nove? Lug-a-luggin'? Same. We ended up walking a whole 5 miles, which is great. My face is red, my legs are sore. Where are we going?
Farmer's market.
Farmer's market. Hello, welcome back. It is currently Saturday around 2:45 p.m. I am on my way to Kohl's to do a couple Amazon returns, like this bidet. It didn't work out. My mom's having surgery on her shoulder next week, and I figured I'd get her like a left-handed bidet so she could use, and it just didn't work out, so I gotta return it. And then I gotta return another package that I ordered, and it was like a prong collar for my dog, and I guess I didn't read the dimensions because it legitimately fits maybe a Chihuahua, and I have a pit bull with a thick neck. So returning both of those items. Yay for errands on a Saturday. Let's get it done. Oh, there's a Prima spot. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 lady. Go, go, lady. I really want that spot. No, I'm trying to lose weight, but I don't want to. Oh, reserved for great associates. Oh, freaking bull. Yeah. So that was really quick. The longest part of that was the traffic. Do I even want to go to TJ Maxx? What? There's Santa! Santa on a motorcycle! Huh? That's cool. Here's a pro tip, right? As we approach a stoplight, when the light turns green, give it a few seconds. I mean, this is a police tip, but also a life tip, because this is what my dad always taught us to do. Also, I've seen how many people run red lights. When the light turns green, give yourself like 3 to 5 seconds. Don't just gun it and go, because people run red lights all the time. It is awful. Also, pro tip for the people that run red lights, don't. But yeah, all right. So I'm just gonna drive home now. This is very boring, but it's okay. This is a weekend of my life. I lead a very boring life. Cool is that? That is so cool. Is that the spirit of Christmas? Is that what it's all about? Yeah. Really rad though. I wonder who that is. I wish I knew who that is. I wish I knew who that was.